Hi, I'm Trainer Gary, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to go to the Michigan Transit Museum in Clinton Township, Michigan. And we're going to get to ride in the Motorman's cab and meet Motorman Mike, meeting Chris, the Flagman and Conductor, and also meet Jacob, a Flagman. So all aboard for a real train adventure with Train Room Gary. These are passengers boarding one of the passenger cars. Since I am a model train channel, we're going to go right up in the cab with the Motorman.
All aboard!
All aboard!
And this is our Motorman. He's taking us to the Air Force Base. What's your first name, Motorman?
Mike.
Mike, and he's in charge of this train line. We're proceeding towards the, is it Kitzlow? No, it's not Kitzlow. It's
Selfridge.
Selfridge Air Force Base in Mount Clemens, Michigan.
If you look straight ahead, you can see the Humvees and the tanks are stored over there in the lot.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, this is the... We used to go all the way into the base. There was an air museum there. But after 9/11, they turned the screws tighter and tighter, and finally this forced us all out.
And security issues, probably.
Right. Here's... So you'll see, if you aim your camera out the front, you're going to see our maintenance train coming up.
Oh, that's that. What's it called? A spreader, is it?
Speeder.
Speeder. Yeah, there you
A
go.
speeder and 3 trailers use that for maintenance.
We also bring that at the start of every run to sort of inspect the line. Like today, there was a bunch of fallen brush from the rain, so we had to remove that as we were going along.
Now, the locomotive, what's it called? What's the actual road name, and what's it the type?
4040 idle, please.
That was a former U.S. Air Force locomotive.
in idle. Over.
It's a Baldwin RS-4 TC, which I think means it's a military design. It was built with 500 horsepower. And
It's 11 to 4040. We are stopped.
actually, I think in the
We are
90s,
not
right
changing
before it was
brakes,
sold
so
to us,
anytime you
It
want
was
to see
upgraded.
westbound, we're okay.
it was upgraded with a Caterpillar engine, upgraded to 600
Carl, I'm
horsepower.
secure, ready for movement. 4040, momentarily heading west. Out.
So from here on out, we'll begin heading the other direction then.
So that made you guys' job come to an end. We changed directions, and it's over for you guys.
We just sit back and
Relax, huh?
So we reach the other end of the line, and then we take control again,
Yeah,
back
just
to the platform.
Back to the platform, yeah.
West.
I forgot we gotta release the brakes this time. I'm used to having it in that position when they're
How soon do we turn around or actually change directions?
We should.
like right
There
now.
we go.
Right now, we're changing directions.
My name is Chris, and I'm basically what they call the Flagman. Basically, I'm just a second pair of eyes for the Motorman. Basically, keep an eye out for anything that might be on the line and looking out for any obstructions. Basically, a conductor at the head end. So now we're heading westbound. We will pass the platform, cross over Gratiot Avenue, which are the only signalized crossings we have on the line, and then stop just short of North Avenue, and then we'll start heading back east back across Gratiot Avenue and then back toward the platform where we'll come to a stop. So right now we are rounding what is called the quote-unquote Selfridge curve. Basically it's a quarter-mile curve that leads up right up to the gate, and now we're heading back that way, so in maybe about a quarter of a mile we should see a nice little farm down there that they're currently using for hay and such, and over there's typically a lot of industrial areas that sort of line the outer perimeters of the base. There's been some talks of potentially bringing some cars to the businesses. I think there was like one that wanted us to bring like some sort of boxcar loads over there, but nothing's really materialized as of yet, so we're really the only people who sort of traverse the line, really.
All right, thanks for the information.
Yep. You can really see just how steep this hill is.
Yeah, you can see it now.
We seem to be doing okay.
Here, passing AutoZone here, guys.
Yep. The coin laundry business right next to it as well.
Stop, set, and centered.
Wait for Conductor. Conductor 11, are we clear to proceed?
Conductor 2, car 11 is secure and ready for movement. Over.
Motorman 11 is clear to depart eastbound. 11 out.
4040, ready to head eastbound. Out.
As always.
Gates are on. Descent down the hill.
set up in the pavilion.
Should be good.
11 to 4040 in crew, we are stopped. Over.
Hey, Jacob, tell us about that hat you got there on eBay.
I got this old New York Central hard hat on eBay. It was originally priced at 80 something dollars, but I talked the owner to get it down to around $60. When I got it, I cleaned it all up, and now it's all nice. Now I cherish it.
All right, thanks. At the end of the day, they send the train back to the Michigan Transit Yard along with the speeder and maintenance train. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers to Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.